Hey mathematicians, we are going to talk about order of operations again today, and this time we're adding in exponents. So we are going to look at some examples with more complicated groupings first. Again, we're going to write these out in words. You can write them out in full words or in numbers and words. But we want to pay especially close attention to this spot right here. That means multiplication. So when we draw it out, this 6 is not in a group. It's just going to be 6 over here. I think tally marks are the fastest for me. 5, 6. And then I'm going to do 3 groups of 1, 2, 3. And anything inside my grouping symbols, you can kind of even like draw the group. Oh, we want it to look like that. And it's 3 plus 2, so I'm actually going to do 2 different drawings. I'll do like 3 lines and 2 circles to show that those were 2 different things. 3 lines, 2 circles, because my 3 groups are going to look identical, and that's what I get. So when I write it all out with addition, I'm going to start with my 6, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2. This is kind of giving you a hint that maybe life would have been easier if we'd added the 3 plus the 2 and made it 5. Would have been a shorter problem. We're going to find out later that actually what we do want to do first is anything inside the parentheses. Because when we add this all up, we get 3 plus 6 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Again, even if you know how to solve the problem in the middle, we do want to practice all 4 of these sections just to get in the habit, because as we go on, problems are going to get more and more complicated. And I really want you to be able to understand, why are we adding what's in the grouping symbols first? Why are we doing multiplication when we do it? And this is going to help us see that. All right, let's take a look at the one with exponents. What I want you to do when you see exponents is rewrite them as the multiplication problem that they are. So this is really going to be 3 groups of 3 plus 3 groups of 5, because when I do this exponent, this is 3 to the power of 2, which means 3 times 3. So I'm going to do that first so that I can write it out. Again, you can always do it with numbers and words. So when I draw this, I'm going to have 3 groups of 3. Here's 1, 2, 3 groups, and in each one I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and plus and another 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not very good at sports. Does that look like a football? I think that's what the laces look like on a football. If you're a big football fan, don't be mad at me if that's not what it looks like. Okay, that's our drawing. When we write it all out, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 9, which is the same thing as 3 times 3. Exponents, do them first. We're noticing our rules. Plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's 9. Notice how I'm starting to simplify as we go. 3 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15. This is a faster problem to do. We're starting to realize what order we're going to solve things in. 9 plus 15. Honestly, I do 10 plus 15 is 25. 1 less than that is 24. And this is the strategy we're using on our work today.